Hi everybody, it's Denise Austin, and I'm so happy to be here with you to share with you some exciting news. I have a brand new magazine. It's called Fit Over 50. I'm so excited, in a hurry. Exercises that you could do in a hurry, recipes that are quick and easy, 5-minute little fitness routines, how to stay in great shape, how to get rid of stress, how to feel better through yoga, through toning exercises, my favorite energizing slim smoothies, and I've got some wonderful tips and information, over 100 pages of great ideas to keep you in the best shape, helping you to feel better, sleep better, eat better. We all need that, especially us women over 50. So here's a great tip. Every day, I want you to wake up feeling grateful, drink 8 glasses of water each day, and really, truly have a grateful attitude. That's the best way to live. Stay healthy, stay fit, and grab my latest magazine, Fit Over 50, at your grocery store today.